Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox a pen drive. I bought this pen drive from ebay.in. As you see, it is delivered by delivery and its amount is 399 rupees only. I'm not going to show you the exact address of shipping. So now I'm going to cut this wrapper and unbox it. So watch this video till the end. This pen drive wrapped very well. As you see, it is well packed. Here you can see its price is 399 rupees only. Now I'm going to here's the pen drive. As you see, logo of ebay.in. I ordered this pen drive on 1st April and I received this pen drive in 6th April. So this is 5 working days it took to reach me. Now I'm unwrapping it. It is well packed and this pen drive is from Sandisk, world 3rd largest data storage manufacturer. This company is good enough. In India it is very well. If you bought a pen drive from Sandisk, it gives you 5-year warranty. This pen drive is Sandisk CRUZER Blade 16GB USB 2.0 based pen drive. As you see, its original price is 540 and country of origin is Malaysia. Sandisk 16GB pen drive, 2018 manufacturer, or this is the invoice of this pen drive. As you see, after GST, 18% of GST, 399 rupees only it's worth. This seller, I thought this seller was from Mumbai. I'm going to cut the wrapper and see the pen drive. How is it? Now I'm going to cut it. Don't cut your pen drive. Be careful and don't cut your hand in cutting this pen drive. Here's the pen drive, Sandisk. It is too light in weight and its size is not more than a thumb size. Because of its small size, this pen drive is easily lost, so I recommended you to insert a piece of thread in it. Here's the hole. You can insert in the hole. You see here 16GB CRUZER pen drive made in Malaysia and the serial number